Hey there! If you're experiencing issues with your TP Link Powerline adapters, you're probably wondering how to fix TP Link Powerline adapters effectively. These handy devices are designed to extend your network using your home's electrical wiring, providing a stable and fast connection without the hassle of additional cabling. However, like any technology, they can run into some hiccups. Don't worry though, in this guide, we will take you through easy troubleshooting steps to get your TP Link Powerline adapters back on track. Step 1. Check your connections. The first step in fixing your TP Link Powerline adapters is to ensure all physical connections are secure. Make sure the adapters are plugged directly into wall outlets, avoiding power strips or surge protectors, which can interfere with their performance. Verify that the Ethernet cables connecting your devices to the adapters are snug and undamaged. A loose or faulty cable could be the culprit behind connection issues, so it's always a good idea to check these basics first. Step 2. Reset the adapters. If checking the connections doesn't resolve your issue, resetting your Powerline adapters might do the trick. Resetting them restores the factory settings and can solve many common problems. To reset, simply press the reset button on each adapter for about 10 seconds until the lights blink, then release. After resetting, pair the adapters again by pressing the pair button on one adapter, then the other within 2 minutes. Remember, it's crucial that both adapters are plugged in close proximity during this process. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity troubles. Updating the firmware can enhance performance and ensure compatibility with your network devices. To update, visit the TP Link website, find your specific model, and download the latest firmware available. Connect your computer to a Powerline adapter and log into the TP Link management utility to complete the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as incorrect firmware updates can render your devices unusable. Step 4. Optimize placement. Sometimes placement could be causing your connectivity woes. Ensure your adapters are not too far apart, as electrical wiring quality and distance can affect performance. Ideally, place them on the same electrical circuit. Avoid plugging adapters into outlets near high-consumption devices like refrigerators or microwave ovens, which can cause electrical interference. Experiment with different locations to find the optimal setup that provides the best connection. Step 5. Check for electrical noise. Electrical noise can disrupt the signal between your TP Link adapter. Devices such as cordless phones or older appliances can introduce noise that interferes with the signal. Try unplugging devices one at a time to identify any that might be causing the issue. If you identify a problematic device, consider moving it to a different circuit or using a noise filtering power strip for sensitive electronics to minimize interference. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently resolve many common issues with your TP Link Powerline adapter. Ensuring secure connections, resetting the adapters, updating firmware, optimizing placement, and reducing electrical noise will help restore your network's reliability and performance. These solutions not only solve immediate connectivity problems, but also contribute to long-term device health and network stability. Remember, a little troubleshooting goes a long way. Happy networking and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity.